Hey, it's Clark with the Down South IT Podcast, and I got another unboxing video for you. This one is on the TOZO T10 wireless earbuds. Now, the only reason these actually came into I actually found out about these is I saw an article about them over the Christmas holidays. And the reason they had the article was because these particular earbuds have 150,000 reviews on Amazon. So being that they were fairly cheap, I went ahead and picked them up, and these are actually $29.99 right now. There's 4 or 5 different color options, as you can see right here. There's a few different ones: black, blue, white, gold, and pink, I believe. And if you, at the time of this recording, there's actually a 20% off coupon on the black ones. Not on I wanted the blue ones because the blue ones are kind of a steel blue that are really cool looking. So no, it's a cool looking color. But that's the ones that I actually wanted. But they didn't have the coupon. So I went ahead and did that. But like I said, these have over 150,000 reviews on Amazon right now. So I figured, why the hell not? You know, we can go ahead and we'll do an unboxing, and I'll at least get a video out of it if nothing else. So a couple of features on these, at least stated from the site, is they come with Bluetooth 5. So these are the brand new, the newest standard as far as Bluetooth goes. They do have in-call stereo sound, so it uses both earbuds to do any of your phone calls, anything like that. So that's always good. These are IPX8 rated, which is, they're not waterproof, but there's a coating on the inside. Makes them resistant to like rain, or if you wear them in the shower, or if you sweat while you're working out, that kind of thing. They're supposed to be easy to pair with just one step. There's an 8mm driver on each one to give you a really good authentic sound and powerful bass. 4 hours on a single charge, but the carry case can actually charge these 2 to 3 times before you have to recharge the whole thing. So you get about a total of 14 hours of playtime. That I'm sure probably mileage will vary, and I'm assume that's probably going to vary as I play with these later on anyway. They also come with 8 ear caps, so it's 4 sets of different sizes, so you can get a good fit. And the charging case can be charged wirelessly. So that's always a good thing to have. Other than that, I'm not sure exactly. We will go through exactly, see what's in the box. Actually, fairly nice packaging. Let's see. There's your IPX8 rated hi-fi stereo, touch controls, lightweight, and one-step pairing. So we shall see. The back is mostly specifications and a few other goodies with some things like that. Nothing too crazy. The TOZO store QR codes. And on that side, again, just that's going to be their address in China. So let's open her up and see what we got. So we have an 18-month warranty, which is nice. That's cool. So I'm not sure exactly how we'll be using that, but we shall see. It's always good to have an 18 warranty with anything, so that's always nice. And we have our manual, which goes through how to pair, reset, changing the ear pads, how to control it, different touches and stuff like that. So it at least goes through and explains all that, so that's always nice. Not very much other than that on the manual side. And let's see, we have another. So that was probably just a quick start guide. This is actually the manual. Much thicker, actually kind of glossy paper, not bad. Usually they kind of chimp out on stuff like that. So fairly thick. I'll of course read that later. And the pièce de résistance. We have the 2 earbuds right there, which we'll get to in just a second. The charging case. And this is actually a really thin foam. So this It's cushy, but it's kind of thin. So hopefully nothing happened to it while it was on the way here. And of course, and more foam. But now we have our little box. I'm sure this is probably charging cable and stuff like that. So let's take a look. Oh, come on, you. And everything is in separate little bags, which is nice. Okay, that's the ear caps. So we got different ear caps there. And I'm sure this is a charging cable. Alright, are we using Type-C? Let's see. Yep, Type-C. So USB Type-A to Type-C cable. It's not going to be very long. I'll give it a foot if nothing. Yeah. So maybe a 12-inch cable. It's not very long at all. So if you have other Type-C cables, you may want to use that. And also has a little lanyard to hook to it. So that's nice. So we'll start off with the earbuds themselves. And not too bad looking. Kind of a rubberized coating on the outside. Ear caps, I mean, nothing, doesn't seem like anything really special. At least they're labeled right and left. So you got R and L. So at least you know which ones are which. But there's our little charging ports. But they are actually fairly light. They are very light, so I'll give them that. So let's see. Now, charging case itself is, again, fairly light. Nothing too crazy about it. Plastic construction. It's got the little shinier plastic there and the matte Type-C port in the back. And on the inside, the top cover is actually translucent, which is kind of cool. And then you got these LEDs right here, which will let you know exactly how much charge you have left on the case. So that way at least you can charge the earbuds. So we'll pop these in here. As you can see, they're actually charging. So that's cool. All right. Well, we'll give that a shot. And we'll see exactly how these are going to go in the full review. But I said, they don't seem, the quality seems to be fairly good. I'm not a big fan of earbuds. I'm more just the single headset type person. But we'll see exactly what they're going to do. So I'll let these charge up and check out, hang on for the review later on, and we'll give it a try and I'll let you know what I think. So thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all on the full review. Thank you.